Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Omkar Ki Pukar. So let's begin with the show. So here you can see is the daily chart of Nifty. So around the level of 17,775, we had discussed that this level is going to act as a very crucial support on the downside for the benchmark index Nifty. So we are currently close around to that level, and if you'll have a look from these three touch points here, we can clearly find that some or the other way at around this level we are able to see some kind of buying pressure which is pushing the prices higher. While if we switch it on to the hourly time frame, we can again witness that around the level of 18,265 we had some kind of selling pressure happening from the higher levels of this. So this this suggests that the overall trend is currently stuck in a broader range of 18,265, and on the downside it is 17,775. So the market has traded a lot in this sideways zone, and we expect it to still trade in this sideways zone until and unless either of the level is taken out on the upside or downside. So a move above 18,251 or a move below 17,775 can only make Nifty to trend in the direction of breakout or breakdown. While in this specific view, if I have to speak about the what exactly the strategy should be, so until and unless the level of 18,100 is protected on the upside, we must look for selling opportunity in Nifty on every rally. So the strategy is to sell on every rally in Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty, so again the trend in the Bank Nifty and the levels which we had mentioned earlier, those levels and the view is still intact. Over here again the trend is clearly on a sideways zone, while the broader range being 43,420, whereas on the downside it is 41,570. That is the lower boundary of the swing. So again over here the stance is quite negative. Like on every rise we must look for selling opportunity until and unless the level of 42,750 is protected on the upside. Coming to some stock specific moves, just recapping what we had discussed earlier. So it was ABFRL which we had discussed in the earlier trading session. So while when we had discussed it, it was trading around the level of 270, while not 270 but it was trading at around the level of 267. So we had a stop loss around the level of 271 while our target was 260. So in the opening we had a whipsaw for this position while we couldn't resist anyway on the higher levels of 271, and we have again seen a clear selling pressure on the downside. So unfortunately, the due to the positive opening, the stop loss had been triggered, but nevertheless the trend for the whole entire trading session was on the downside. Coming to the stock which we must actually have found for you is Delta Corp. The stock is currently in a clear downtrend, while the prices have tried to approach the gap level, but it couldn't fill the gap, and it shows that it is respecting the bearish trend line since a long time, and over here the trend is clearly on the downside. So around the level of 211 we can see that a change in polarity for the prices can be seen, and at that level we can expect some resistance to take place. So going ahead, the current prices are quoting around the level of 210, while the stop loss for this trade should be around the level of 212.85, which is nothing but the swing high over here which you can see, while the targets must be around the level of 206 followed by 202. So that's it from our side. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to GPL's YouTube channel. Thank you.